Welcome everybody to another episode for Renegadesgarage, and in tonight's episode, we're going for a quick in-between the episodes video right here. I'm going to give you a little bit of an update of what's going on with the channel for when to start expecting content. It may vary a little bit, but that's what the current goal is. And I'm going to give you a little better walk around of what is currently done with the frame. Stay tuned. Okay, so first thing first, I'll give you guys the actual meat and potato of the video. I know this is what you guys want to see. So I didn't have it for the video you guys watched the other day. Here's the rear end. Like it says a Chevy 14 bolt running the Barnes truss system with the 3-link. It's not finished being welded in yet, but for the majority of it is in. I got the, not in, but tacked in. So I got the lower control arms on, the track bar mount tacked in. The main truss itself is welded in. I got the majority of the upper link here welded in. I just have some welds on the other side to do. Got my upper Johnny joint in, just make sure I don't, just have it in while I was welding, just to make sure things don't expand or contrast wrong way. I have the lower pinion protector for it. That's over there. And yeah, that's that. Like I said in the other video, it's currently 410 gears with the Detroit locker. Factory disc brake setup. So yeah, that should be pretty good when I'm done, hopefully. Fingers crossed. I know 410s is not the ideal ratio, but for right now, I'm trying to be frugal with my spending, since I just spent a lot of money on front and rear axles, 3-link, a frame. So for the time being, I'm just going to re-gear the front to match the rear and just deal with the gearing being weird. Okay, so over here we got the frame. So got the upper link just sitting in place. I gotta flip the frame over and actually weld it in. I picked up a new Barnes 4-wheel drive rear track bar mount because I'm gonna stretch the frame, like I said, what involves moving the axle back. I'm thinking 5 inches, still to be determined. So obviously my factory one will not work. So I bought this one. I'm gonna cut those 2 ears off of it and mount the new one back right about there or so. Like I said, to be determined on the actual mounting of it, but at least that gets me in a general ballpark area for that. Over here we got they're not obviously not welded in, but these are the new long arm lower control arm mounts from Barnes. I got 2 hem joints installed, one on each of them, just to get the spacing correct for when I weld them in. They are all tacked in there correctly. This just came in today. This is my lower transmission mount cross member from Barnes. So as well, it moves my lower control arm mounts from here back roughly, what was that going to be, like 1.5 feet. And then from listening to JK Gear and Gadgets, I'm going to take one of his ideas, because he just recently had a video about this, that these factory mounts right here are known for bending with a lot of force on them, especially with the lower 3-link, because he has the same setup. So I got the Barnes what do you call these? Just like cut out kit. And I'm gonna take them, well, the one in there. I'm gonna do the two bigger ones in the back like so. I'm gonna do these two smaller ones in the front like so. Just help give this a little more support. I already been started. This was ground down bare, but this is Florida and it rains every day, so that was ground down because I was supposed to have that mount here the day I ground it down, but FedEx lost it, so yeah, I gotta regrind that down for it's good to go for the mount that goes there, because that's my new upper link. Then when I bought this frame, it came with a new skid plate for the gas tank. It's bent a little, but I can fix that. And I have a rough country one that goes underneath of it that I tried installing on the Jeep currently, but because of the rust issues, where you seen that video where this part right here is all rusted out, the bolts would not come loose. So that had to wait for the time being. So here's a question for you JK Jeep people. I've not touched the front of this frame at all, and if you know, these Jeeps normally have 4 bolt holes in the front for the bumper on each one of these plates. This one's missing it on both sides for the outers. And these, I mean, it looks factory, but at the same time don't look factory, so I'm kind of curious if anybody knows if this is like a factory, like lower trim option but didn't have these or what. And then there's a lower like skid thing that goes right here, right in front of the where the sway bar mounts, and it's missing that as well. I mean, and you can see the frame is perfectly clean, where I don't look like nobody's been grinding out on it or plasmaing or cutting it or anything. So I'm trying to figure out what the heck that's about. So if anybody knows why this frame is like this, let me know. I mean, I'm not that worried by it, because this I was just gonna cut off like I did on my Jeep anyhow. But these are a little bit annoying, so I'm gonna have to. I got some 1/4-inch plate. I'm probably gonna be able to make the correct plate and just weld it on. But if anybody knows the answering to that, let me know. I'm kind of curious. Okay, so for a quick update of how the content is going to work currently. So my plans is a video Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. Wednesday will probably be a actual into video of content of the frame swap. Friday will be a video like this one. It's just shot on my phone, editing on the phone. Just get a quick like midweek update out there. Just show what's been going on. Kind of real rough edited style like this. Then Sunday is there going to be fabrication content either on this or my friends' Jeeps, or if we go off-roading, it would be some kind of off-roading content. The goals is there going to be it's going to be Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. Probably all nighttime releases. Let me know down in the comments what time of the day works the best for you guys, just for I can kind of get an idea of when I should make my uploads. Or should I post everything a day prior so it can be released first thing in the morning? It's like Wednesday morning, Friday morning. Sunday content, no matter what, it's going to be Sunday night. Just because we're usually off-roading Saturday or Sunday. So Sunday, if we off-road that morning, I would need that afternoon to edit the video. So that's the goal. You're going to get 3 videos a week. From this point forward is the goal. You're going to get a lot more content of this a lot more content of off-roading. Hopefully gonna have some camping videos soon. I'm gonna let you know right now, Sunday's video of this week is gonna be a video of the Overland trailer of the finished product. I know a lot of you guys probably were trying to tune in to that content when I was making it. I just got so in tune with trying to get it done, I forgot to film most of the rest of that. So I think I got some clips of the final processes of making it. If I can find them, I'll group them into one video and post them. But I'm gonna have a good overview video of that coming soon. Possibly this Sunday, that is the goal. So coming soon, be content of that camper, content of my runaway of actually camping in it. That will be coming up soon. Hopefully a week in August. I'll be taking an actual camping trip in that. So I'll get some footage of that when that comes. Okay, so here's my Dana 60. Like I said, it's the 99 to, I think, 06 Ford axle. So if anybody have any suggestions of how to cut the casting down right there, love to hear it. And whatever upgrades I can make who are reasonably priced for this, I like to hear those too. But as for right now, go check out my buddies over at Kingdom Off-Road. They have some awesome deals going on their new kinetic rope that they are just releasing. Go check it out. Great quality. Review video coming soon. And until next time, guys, keep working on your rigs, stay positive, and we'll see you in the next video. Catch you later. Bye.